Hello everybody, good evening. My name is Andreas Adi Pradipta. I'm from MMT today I will presentation about building information modeling, or we call BIM. BIM itself, Waskita Karya, especially infrastructure 2, already using multi-platform software to implementation BIM or ERP. First of all, we use 3D modeling, 4D sequence, 5D QTO, and final product. In 3D modeling, we use Autodesk Revit and Autodesk Civil 3D. Revit for modeling structural works, Civil 3D, and for modeling pile works. After we use Autodesk, we move to 4D sequence, uh, and it's Autodesk Navisworks. It to be integration of 3D models with schedules, and so we can schedule our work in project. After that, we move to 5D QTO. We use Autodesk Navisworks, but we do quantity takeoff here. After that, we move to final product. We export quantity data to Excel after we calculation the quantity takeoff. After that, we send to BIM ERP IT at uh, office at Jakarta, and that will input BIM volume to prod 01. Waskita Karya Infrastructure 2, after that, we use 3D modeling, same like before, 3D modeling for the sequence, 5D QTO, and final product. In 3D modeling, we use all plan engineering and all plan bridge, especially for structure and bridge works. After that, we use Bentley OpenRoots Designer. It's used to be modeling pile works. After that, like before, we move to for the sequence to Autodesk Navisworks. We use Bentley Syncro, and we move to Autodesk Navisworks to quantity takeoff after for structural works and bridge works. After that, we move to final product to export quantity data to Excel and send to BIM ERP IT at uh, Office. But BIM has some challenge and goals. First of all, I will explain what is the challenge for use BIM. First, ecosystem have not yet formed. Peer and BIP have not been issued, so there is no legal umbrella to implement BIM at the project level. The second, human resources outside the contractor are not yet a priority. Just the contractor has PIC BIM, so the new application is one way for the internal contractor. The third, expensive investment cost. The cost of hardware procurement, software licensing, human resources training is quite expensive and not covered in RAB. For slow decision making, monitoring evaluation from employers and consultants is still done manually. So information related to change in the field is often late, potentially increasing delays. Next, information is not real time. The information provided for the change that exists cannot be confined in real time, both internal and external. And the last is the data backup is not neat. A chief related to data backups cannot be stored neatly and are often damaged, so it is required a special place for storage within a period of many years. After we have a challenge, and here's the goals of BIM. This First of all, there is a technical, quick survey, sub-drawing production, real-time volume calculation. And for the quality, we hope a real-time checklist, data backup is needed, rework can be avoided. And the last is efficiency. First of all, we hope waste material can be reduced, accurate volume calculation, and less human resources. And there's the construction phase. First, we need to digital surveying. This is use GPS geodetic reality modeling, and after that we use 3D model to 3D modeling shop drawing. After that, for the sequence, update action plan for work method. 5D QTO. 5D QTO is marking progress for monitoring works. After that, the last is collaboration to 3D checklist digital. This is the example web from GIS. I take it from project Toll Road Pasuruan Probolinggo. So there is the calculation, and here's we do a project controlling. First of all, we take a picture from a drone or a video. So we move to photogrammetry and we make a 3D model to stop drawing. After that, we can show what is the real and what have it done in project. So the actual, we can make the actual and plus 3D model, so we can know what has been done and what has not been done. Here's a workflow for BIM. We make from 2D, after that to 3D, 4D, and 5D. 2D we use Autodesk or AutoCAD for final engineering plan, and we can use Litahi to create a drone path, and we move to Agisoft Metashape for drone processing data. After that, we use Revit, SketchUp, InfraWorks, Autodesk Civil 3D, Lumion, Unity, Augen to AR, augmented reality. After that, we use to uh, Autodesk for 4D model. After that, we use 5D model, use Autodesk Naviworks to count the quantity takeoff. And here's the digital surveying, photogrammetry. First of all, we create a drone path. After that, we use GPS setting, preparing drone, and GCP setting. After that, we use processing data. After that, we use after processing, we need to export data. So the aerial photo processing using Agisoft produce some of the necessary data is orthophoto and them. Here's a 3D model, civil works, create alignment, create surface, create corridor, section view, and soft drawing. Here's a example from 3D model structure works, import through 2D as a reference, family creation, project creation, filling parameter, and soft drawing creation. And here's 4D and 5D. For this scheduling and sequence, it's to create visualization of scheduling and sequence that can be more easily understood. And the second is create visual action plan. 5D is for quantity takeoff. Export are volumes of all types of work in one software. And export volume action plan. And the last is we make a action plan. It's from the form for Waskita. Uh, we call it weekly progress. After that, we move to Autodesk Navisworks to manage the data, and In beam we can show what is the volume it works. And from the hardware, we use Autodesk Beam 6360 in common. It's for common data environment. We can download it at some APK. Is the function is document management, save and sharing cloud document, approval shop drawing, and monitoring progress. And Autodesk Beam can use to field management and digital checklist. And it can use to work checklist ya in PW of Waskita. And here's the digitalization. It's where is from paper to the handphone. Use a hardware. Okay, thank you. It's for me. If I have a wrong words, I'm sorry and thank you.